Hello friends, so I'm back with another video on assignment abroad times today newspaper and I'm going to cover around 65 plus job posting which are published in today's assignment newspaper. There are many free recruitments as well and you will get job for all the Gulf countries as well as for Germany, Russia and some other countries as well. So please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity and please subscribe if you're new on this channel because I'm posting jobs on a daily basis. So friends, the first posting is for UAE. It's a construction company requirements. The positions are 50-ton mobile crane operator, truck concrete pump driver and operator, transit mixer, tower crane erector, tower crane operator, then lifting in charge or rigger. You can see the salary range is also mentioned for all the positions. Working will be 8 hours. OT will be applicable. Age below 50 years. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. And these are the contact details. etrustsoba@gmail.com is the email ID and interviews will be on 18th of November in Mumbai. Next posting is for UAE. It's for a facility management company and this is semi-government company job. So friends, the positions are senior supervisors, MEP, HVAC, civil. Salary range you can see 5,250 AD to 5,750 AD. Vacancies in large number. Lead technicians or foreman you can see firefighting, alarm, fire alarm, electronics, BMS, electromechanical, electrical, chiller and AC technician. Associate lead technicians you can see the positions subcategories and same for technicians. So friends, food allowance of 350 AD will be provided. 8 hours duty, OT will be applicable. ITI diploma in relevant field, Gulf experience would be preferred. Interviews will be on 17th of November and the email ID is etrusttravel3@gmail.com. Next posting is for Dubai and Germany. So for Dubai, marble mason, assistant to marble mason, each 25 openings, excellent salary besides perks. And then there is a opening for Germany, BSc nurse, experience 3 years or senior care, 25 openings, fluent in English and German language advantage, willing to learn German language and give B1 exam in India, registration as nurse after B2 exam, excellent salary 1700 euro. Then there is opening for bus driver also for Germany. Number of openings are 15. Gulf valid license is required. Salary will be 2,500 euros. Fluent in English. So the email ID for this posting is ashok@rightplacement.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi for a oil and gas project. Client interview on 23rd of November. Foreman piping, structural millwright, pipe fabricator, welders, fitters, drivers, and man lift operators. Minimum 5 years and above experience is required. Gulf experience would be preferred. The email ID is SAGAIMARY sgambry@multilinkindia.com. Then the next posting is for Russia. Client interview shortly. Shortlisting is in progress. Salary is mentioned in the USD. You can see the positions. These are all positions for Russia. E&I, fitter, technician, brush painter, scaffolder, steel helper, steel erector, shuttering carpenter, team leader, civil work, scaffolding, piping work, and many more. The salary is in USD. Free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Age up to 40 years, 10 hours working. Candidates with minimum 3 to 5 years of experience. Vacancies are in large number. Mukesh libra01@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting and you can see the multiple mobile numbers are also mentioned. Take a screenshot if needed. So this is for Russia. Shortlisting is in progress. This is for UAE. Final client interview will be on 25th and 26th of November at Mumbai. Freshers can apply. The positions are salesman, counter sales and assistant salesman. Candidates should be presentable with good English, Arabic communication skills, age between 22 to 32 years. mg15@mgwala.com is the email ID for this posting, and this can be a best opportunity for freshers. This is for Dubai. This is the second opportunity for freshers. Fresh mechanical engineer or job performer. Number of openings are 50. Candidate must have BE diploma, should know MS Office. Attractive salary. The email ID for this posting is interview@prernaconsultancy.com. So those who are a fresher mechanical engineers and looking for job abroad in Dubai can take benefit of this opportunity. So friends, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel if you are new. And please don't skip, watch complete video. Many attractive openings going ahead. This is for UAE trailer drivers, heavy drivers, bus driver, heavy light dumper, cadre driver, heavy equipment operators, bobcat, excavator, JCB, PTR, roller shovel, grader, shovel, master diesel mechanic, assistant mechanic, auto electrician, civil, charge hand, steel fixer, scaffolder, and pipe fitters. So many subscribers were asking for JCB operator jobs. So please apply immediately. Genesis mc1@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. You can see the mobile numbers as well. This is free recruitment for Qatar. Interviews will be on 25th of November in Mumbai, 27th Baroda, and 28th in Surat, SR Engineering. 6G welder, FCAW, 6GR welder, FCAW. 8 hours duty plus OT plus free food will be provided by company. Must have experience in oil and gas projects. Gulf experience is mandatory. Oil gas slg@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. You can see the mobile numbers as well. So friends, take benefit of this free recruitment. Interviews at 3 locations. Choose any of your nearest location. Next is for Kuwait. Client interviews will be on 24th of November. You can see the positions: project manager, mechanical, site construction manager, engineer, planning engineer, scaffolding supervisors, rigging supervisors, tank fabricators. Vacancies are in large number. Email ID for this posting is recruit@medahr.com. Take a screenshot of postings if needed. Next is for Dubai. Mason 75 openings, shuttering carpenter 60 number of openings, RCC fitter 60 openings. Interview@prernaconsultancy.com is the email ID, and you can call Mr. Abhijit if needed. Next is for Abu Dhabi again. Drivers for cross country. Client interview shortly. The positions are heavy driver, 40 feet flatbed truck, flat reefer truck, hopper, tanker. These are the different categories in heavy driver. Valid UA license number 4. Age up to 50 years. Accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Candidate with minimum 2 to 3 years of Gulf experience would be preferred. So the email ID for this posting is librajobs03@gmail.com, and these are the contact numbers for your reference. And friends, this is free recruitment. It means there will be no service charge. It's a completely free recruitment. Next is for Saudi short-term project. Number of openings are in bulk, like pipe fabricator 100 openings, mechanical fitter 250 openings, standby man or firewatch 200 openings, and many more. So you can take a screenshot or just see if you found any suitable position in these postings, then you can apply immediately. Interviews will be on 22nd of November in Mumbai, and the email ID is recruitment@suhanatravels.com, and these are the contact details. Next is for Qatar. Free recruitment, vacancies in large number. Final client interview will be on 24th of November. Pre-screening 19 and 21st of November in the office. 6G FCW welder, 6GR FCW welders. Candidates should have relevant experience in oil and gas industry and holding running card are acceptable. mg29@mgiwala.com is the email ID for this posting, and it's a completely free recruitment. This is for Saudi Zamil Industries, and there are some other position as well for catering industry in Dammam. You can see for United Kawa Saudi industrial electrician and storekeeper, and for the facility management, catering supervisor, housekeeping supervisor, maintenance supervisor, recruitment coordinator, continental cook, laundry supervisor, tea boy supervisor, storekeeper, HR recruitment supervisor, continental cook. Then in others, motor winder for furniture carpenter and house driver with Saudi license. So cv.faisal management mgmt@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting, and these are the contact numbers. Next is for Kuwait. Client interviews on 16, 17 and 18 of November. Sorry, it's a walk-in on 16, 17 and 18 for shortlisting. Final client interview will be Mumbai at like in the next week. Requirement are in large number. So see the positions: facility coordinators, admin, supervisor, project and ERP softwares. And you can see the other positions as well. Please read out all the positions. And if you wish to apply for any of these positions, then the email ID for this posting is hr19@asmax.net. You can see the WhatsApp numbers as well. You can send your CV or just ping them. Attractive salary, food, accommodation, OT will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi, long-term contract, Zamil Steel. Client interview will be on 18th of November in Mumbai. nisha@itlservice.net is the email ID for this posting. Material checkers, structural fabricators, 3G, FCW welders, painters, sandblasters, material controllers, structure fitters, CNC machine operators. These are the positions. Minimum 5 to 8 years of experience is required in steel structural fabrication industries. The email ID for this posting I have already shared with you, and these are the contact details. Next is for Oman. Client interview on 18th and 19th of November. You can see the positions and salary is clearly mentioned. Interview in Mumbai and Hyderabad. You can see the contact details also. So this is for Oman. Next is for Croatia. Shipyard mechanics. Minimum task are they have given. You can read it carefully. Salary will be 1500 euro. And the email ID for this posting is mario@hrconnections.com, and you can see the mobile numbers as well. Next is for UAE. Client interview on 16th of November. Foreman, junior foreman and charge hand in shuttering, carpet, shuttering, concrete, marble, joinery, steel, plaster, gypsum, block, tile and paint. Vacancies in large number. Age limit up to 45 years. Food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. etrustsobha@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Final interview on 16, 18 and 19th of November. Carpenter, mason, steel fixer, labor helper, planning engineer, QA/QC engineers, quantity surveyors, draftsman, beam molder, safety engineers and safety officers, GRP pipe fitter, laminator, GRC or GRP. Salary range 2650 to 2750 for operators. Dozer operator, shovel operator, excavator operator, dumper operator, grader operator, and mobile crane operators. Operators must have UAE operator license. 10 hours duty, attractive salary, free food, accommodation will be provided by company. All vacancies in large number. jobs@ambecs.com is the email ID for this posting, and here is the WhatsApp number as well. So take a screenshot. Please like the video. If you have not pressed the like button yet, then please press it now. And you can share your feedback about video in comments, and you can even ask the questions, or suggestions are also welcome. This is for UAE, for a leading Turkish company for their various oil and gas projects. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Client interview will be on 23rd of November in Mumbai. You can see the positions, all HSC related positions: environmental engineer, road safety officers, electrical inspector, structure steel inspector. Final client interview on 24th of November for the below positions: jack lifting operator, foreman, tank team leader, heavy driver, fabricator, fitter, scaffolding inspector, flagman, mechanic, then rigging helper, fabrication helper, welders, masons, and many more. All candidates should have 3 plus years of experience in oil and gas, preferably be in Gulf. The email ID for this posting is mechanical@indiapersonnel.com. So if you wish to apply for any of these positions, then apply immediately. Interviews will be on 24th and 23rd of November. This is for UAE infrastructure company. Driver, electrician, auto electrician, mechanic, fuel coordinator, shipping assistant, welder, tireman, operators in various stream like static pump, ice plant, shovel, weight, bridge, boom leader, boom loader and placing boom, trip checker rigger, lab assistant. Working hours 8 hours duty plus OT, age below 45, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Email ID is etrustsoba@gmail.com, and you can see the contact details as well. Next is for Bahrain. Client interview on 21st and 22nd of November in Mumbai. Vacancies are in large number. Free food will be provided by company. Waiters, tandoor cook, Arabic cook, kubus maker. CV selection for Saudi, Qatar, Bahrain and Oman. Aluminum fabricator, master tailor, furniture carpenter, wood spray painter, cladding door technician, laundryman, AC cold room technician, welders, commis, bartenders, auto electrician, masons, plumber, and electricians, juice maker. So, friends, you can see the WhatsApp numbers, and the email ID is cv@myghiwalamanpower.com or ghiwalamanpower@gmail.com. Next is for L&T UAE. Client interview on 23rd of November at Borivali, Mumbai. Charge hand, steel fitter and carpenter, shuttering carpenter, steel fitter, mason, scaffolder, helper civil, QA/QC assistant. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. The email ID for this posting is info@gmail.com. You can see the mobile number as well. So if you have any queries, you can contact directly. Interviews will be on 23rd, and this is for L&T UAE. Next is for NSH Saudi. Shortlisting in progress. Zoom interview shortly. It's a free recruitment, so there will be no service charge. Attractive salary, free food and accommodation will be provided by company. These all maximum positions are related to QA/QC, supervisor and inspector level positions, then manager, safety officer and storekeeper. So read the positions carefully. Candidate must have experience in Aramco, ADNOC, PDO, Babco, QC, QP, and all other companies are mentioned will be considered in the priority. Info gauritravels@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting, and you can see the mobile numbers as well. So friends, take benefit of this free recruitment and apply immediately. Next is for Saudi, for a shutdown project of 6 months. Client interview on 21st of November. Shortlisting is in progress. Pipe fitters 160 opening, riggers level 3 50 openings, riggers 100 openings, structural fitters, permit receiver, fire watchers, foreman, helpers. For long term project, pipe fitters 120 openings. Departure in 10 to 15 days. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. sigalksa2024@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for, like it's not mentioned, but opportunities abroad. Storekeeper, experience in electromechanical, civil, construction companies projects. IT security information officer, for a factory manufacturing panel boxes for sheet cutting. Doing is operators, bending, punching, MIG welders, grinders, powder coating helpers. Freshers can apply. Assembly workers, ITI holder, freshers. For a running plant manufacturing, salt, process chemist, process mechanic. So friends, the email ID for this posting is tehran.cv@gmail.com, and you can see the mobile number as well. In case of any queries, you can contact them directly and get it clarified. Next is for UAE wooden company. The positions are CNC operators, spray painters or polishers, and machine operators. Vacancies are in large number. Client interview on 23rd of November in Mumbai. 8 hours duty, overtime, age up to 42 years, Gulf experience preferred. Accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. These are the contact details. Next is a free recruitment, completely free recruitment, no service charge for Mauritius. Maintenance of airport, hotels, malls, and hospitals. Client interview will be on 16th of November, 10 to 4 p.m. These are the positions. hrd@activehrd.in is the email ID for this posting. Next is for L&T again. Requirement for L&T Dubai. Client interview on 24th of November at Mumbai. Mason, steel fixer, shuttering carpenter, P&M mechanic. Foreman, steel carpentry. Plumber, rigger, civil helper, scaffolder. Charge and steel, carpentry, masonry, and scaffolder. Free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. cv.flywellmanpower@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting, and these are the contact numbers. Next is for Saudi NSH. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. All must have oil and gas experience. Vacancies in large number. You can see the positions, and salary is also mentioned for all the positions, the salary range. So riggers, fire watcher, structural fitter, millwright fitter, permit receiver, pipe fitter, structural foreman, piping foreman, welding foreman. These are the positions. So the email ID for this posting is info@gmail.com, and the contact details here. Next is for NAFCO Dubai and Saudi. Client interview on 22nd of November at Mumbai. For Dubai, the positions are pipe fitter, plumbers, foreman, charge hand. For Saudi, you can see the positions: forklift drivers, CNC operators, welders, spray painters, and helpers. Email ID is nokri.uae@gmail.com, and these are the mobile numbers. Next is for UAE. Interview on 23rd of November at Mumbai. Crane operator, rigger, forklift operator, light vehicle or bus driver, heavy trailer driver, QHSE engineer or QHSE officer. Food and accommodation will be provided by company. The email ID for this posting is rolexint869@gmail.com. Next is for Dubai. Client interviews on 19th of November. Engineer, electrical, plumbing foreman, electrical plumbing, electrician, plumber, wall painter. Urgently required for oil and gas company in Doha. So for Doha, Qatar. Planning engineer, project manager, auto, visual technician, and audio denter. Auto denter. Kindly share your CVs on wahidtravel@yahoo.com. You can see the WhatsApp number as well. So you can send them the documents on WhatsApp also. This is for Saudi. AC technicians, duct fabricator, HVAC engineers, pipe fitters. ITI or diploma is required for almost all positions. Client interview on 22nd and 23rd of November. Minimum 5 years experience is required. Driving knowledge required for AC technicians. STSjobs24@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting, and you can see the WhatsApp numbers as well. Next is for Doha, Qatar. Client interview on 18th of November. You can see the positions. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. 8 hours duty plus OT will also applicable. pv@talenttrio.com is the email ID. Next position is for Dubai, UAE. Client interview on 18th of November. Send your CV for shortlisting on info@sajobs.in is the email ID. You can see the contact numbers, and these are the positions: sandblaster, painter, scaffolder, riggers, mechanical helpers, and many more. Excellent salary plus perks, free accommodation, food or food allowance will be provided by company, 8 hours duty plus OT. Next is for UAE and Baghdad. Welder, structural fabricator for UAE, and for Baghdad you can see the positions: ice cream tart maker, juice maker, sandwich maker, waiters, ice cream scooper, chalk roll maker, and many more. Arabic speaker will be preferred. So the email ID for this posting is gulf2 sadna-agencies.com. Next is for a fine dining restaurant in Oman. Interview will be on 26th of November. These are the position: restaurant manager, restaurant supervisor, hostess, barista, bartender, griller, CDP baker, sauce chef, cold appetizer, hot appetizer, butcher, tandoor, commis third, continental, and see some other positions also. Candidates must have minimum 1 to 2 years of experience, junior level candidates. Email ID is info at the rate kavirecruitment.org. Next is for Oman. Urgently required the below positions: riggers, fitters, grinders, PTW, permit holders, document controller, quantity surveyor, shuttering and steel fixer, and mechanical QC inspector. Resume.kpm@yahoo.com is the email ID for this posting. Excellent salary, other benefits, free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Oman. Client interview on 23rd of November. Diesel mechanic, HV electrician, furniture carpenter, assistant HVAC technician, mason, wall painter, pump mechanic, steam technician, and technicians in different categories like BMS, chiller, electrical, HVAC, electronics, fire alarm, and many more. You can read all detail carefully. Candidate must have 2 years of government ITI or diploma, no private ITI. Diploma accepted, must have experience in maintenance field. Food accommodation will be provided by company. Jobs flywell manpower @yahoo.com is the email ID for this posting, and these are multiple numbers are given. This is for Kingdom of Bahrain. Shortlisting is in progress. 2 years contract, attractive salary, OT plus allowance. 5 to 8 years of experience is required. Interviews will be on 21st of November at Mumbai. These are the positions. So, friends, if you wish to apply for any of these positions, then you can send them your documents and you can contact them on the given number in case of any queries. This is for Dubai. Client interview on 17th of November. These are the positions: 8 hours duty plus OT. Free food, transportation, and accommodation will be provided by company. If you wish to apply for any of these positions, then jobs flywell manpower @yahoo.com is the email ID. Next is for Saudi. Client interview on 18th of November. These are the positions: house driver, roller operator, electrical foreman, tailor driver, heavy driver, and electrical AutoCAD operator. Accommodation transportation will be provided by company. RT international@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Plantech Arabia for Saudi. Final interviews on 19th of November. It's a 6-month shutdown project and this is completely free recruitment. There will be no service charge. 8 hours duty and 6 days a week work. Free food, accommodation, transportation, medical, overtime, everything will be provided by company. Duty 10 hours per day, 6 days in a week, as I told. And this is for scaffolder, foreman, and helper, and 8 hours duty for the above positions. Jobs 2020 at gmail.com is the mail ID for this posting, and you can see this contact number for Mumbai and Gorakhpur. Next is for Dubai and Saudi. Client interview on 19th of November. Structural fabricator, scaffolder, ductman, gas cutter, turner, rigger, and other positions as well. Large vacancies, free food will be provided by company. These are the contact details. Senior CVs 122 at gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Electro Rag LLC Dubai. Client interview on 18th of November. You can see the positions, and there are some other positions for Abu Dhabi NSH. Client interview for Abu Dhabi will be on 18th and 19th of November. 8 hours duty, overtime, free food, free accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Drivers light, heavy, heavy bus driver, heavy tractors, man lift operator, plumber, AC technicians. Chinar HR2 @gmail.com is the mail ID for this posting. Next is for Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Interview on 22nd and 23rd of November. Salary is negotiable, 8 hours duty, overtime. Freshers and return can apply. Immediate departure. These are the positions. Salary plus allowance is given. For online interviews, mail your CV to Shiv Kumar abroad jobs @gmail.com, and these are the mobile numbers. Free accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. This is for Abu Dhabi, UAE. Client interview on 25th of November at Mumbai. These are the positions: mason, scaffolder, steel fixer, grinder, pipe fitter, charge hands, banksman, spray painter, wall painter, and you can read the other positions as well. Helpers also required. Free accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Flywelljobs @gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Qatar. Client interview will be on 22nd of November. ECR, ECNR, both passports are accepted. Indian experience also accepted. 8 hours duty plus overtime. Long-term contract. Departure in 25 days. 5 to 10 years of experience in oil and gas petrochemical refineries is required. These are the positions, number of openings, salary, and allowance is clearly mentioned. So you can see there are many welders related positions and some other positions as well. So friends, the email ID is pv@talenttrio.com for this posting. Next is for Saudi. Client interview on 19th and 20th of November. Vacancies are in large number. Minimum 7 years of experience is required. Age limit between 23 to 40 years. Email ID is new alphajobs@gmail.com, and the contact details also mentioned. This is for Saudi for a leading oil and gas shutdown project. 4 months rigging, structural piping, welding, fire watcher, permit receiver, riggers, fitters, SS pipe fitters, storekeeper, and electrician. Degree diploma with minimum 5 years and above experience is required. Gulf experience would be preferred. Akshay@multilinkindia.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Saudi. Client interview will be on 21st of November. Senior safety supervisor, salary 5,000 to 6,000 Saudi Riyal. HSC supervisor 4 to 5,000. Senior safety officer, supervisor, assistant safety supervisor, officer, HSC officer, and other positions. Vacancies are in large number. The email ID for this posting is jobseeker@agakarwa.com. Salary will be provided attractive. Food, travel, and accommodation will be provided by company. These are the contact details on the screen. Next is for Emerald Dubai. Client interview on 21st of November. BMS operator, plumber, carpenters, MEP technicians. There are some positions for Oman. Interview will be on 19th of November. Supervisors, rotary technicians, and there are some other positions as well for Saudi. Gulf jobs @shafireconsultants.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Qatar client interview on 23rd of November. Attractive salary, Fridays on OT with extra payment, food allowance, free accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. ITI or diploma is required for most of the positions. So these are the positions. The email ID for all this position is career@ag-enterprises.com. Next is for Dubai. Employment visa, client interview soon. Food, free food, accommodation and insurance will be provided by company. 8 hours duty, 4 hours OT compulsory every day. Age limit 22 to 35 years. These are the contact numbers. And these are the positions, number of openings, basic salary, and targeted salary, including allowances. Next is for Saudi, for a fine dine restaurant and for a oil and gas company. So you can read out the details. The email ID for this posting is rktsfmcg@gmail.com. Next is for Saudi, for oil and gas project. Client interview on 21st of November and 22nd November as well. So there are category wise positions like project and construction, civil and mechanical, manager, engineer, superintendent, supervisor and foreman, planning managers, lead engineers and engineers, engineer, scheduling, contract, estimation, material, P&M, like that. Positions for a different categories for QA/QC, safety, quantity surveyor, administrators, coordinators, and heavy equipment operators also. So, friends, minimum 5 years or above experience is required. Akshay@multilinkindia.com is the email ID for this posting. Then there are openings for UAE, for which the interview will be online. Charge hand foreman, junior foreman, shuttering, tile, steel, block, plaster, concrete, marble, plant, paint, gypsum and furniture. And you can see these are the operator level positions. Truck, concrete from operator only, senior erector, transit mixer truck, tower crane operator, lifting in charge, and all other positions. So friends, the email ID is kbmanpower@gmail.com. Next is for Oman. Client interview from 16 to 23rd of November. Mechanical technician, HVAC technician, fire alarm technician, pool technician, maintenance electrician, structural fabricator and fitter. Vacancies are in large number. ECR, ECNR both accepted. All candidate must have ITI or diploma. Food accommodation will be provided by company. cv.jainmanpower@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. So friends, I hope the video was useful. I hope you will get your dream job from any of this posting, or you may have multiple jobs for multiple openings for your dream job. So please don't miss opportunities. Apply immediately, and don't forget to like the video and share your feedback in the comment. Thank you for your patience and watching complete video. Tomorrow I'll be back with another video on latest girl jobs. Thank you.